Hi guys, this is Manish and in today's video we're going to do the unboxing of this MI Band HRX Edition into the 2019. Almost 2020 is coming up and still this band is very much popular if you're considering the MI Band. The price range is around 1000 rupees. This is a must-go band if you want to try for the first time a band or from the MI. So in this video I'm going to show you the components of this box and the setup which I'm going to do it in this video. So watch this video till the end. So without wasting time, let me take you to my unboxing video. So this is the MI Band HRX Edition, which is as equivalent to MI Band 2. It has an advanced strap tracker, the 23-day battery life, the sleep monitor, the call and notification alert. But let me tell you that if you enable all the time of the notification, whether it is a WhatsApp or wireless messaging, your battery will be reduced to 15 to 16 days. And it's India's #1 wearable band. Right now it is 2019 and we're still using the MI Band 2. I'm going to find out in 2019 whether this is as equivalent as to the current environment and still be useful at the price range around 1000 rupees. On the back you're able to see this various product content. In this content you are getting the MI Band sensor, the strap, the charging cable, the usual manual. The price is written over as 1800, but let me tell you, with the launch of the MI Band 4 you can get it around under the 1000 rupees. A decent gift if you want to give it to anyone, and your loved ones who haven't used your smartwatch or any of the smart device can use it for the first time. So this is in the black color, and on the side you're able to see again a various. So the battery capacity of this device is of 70 mAh. It's compatible with the Android 4.4 and iOS 7.0. So this is a great thing if you're using the Android 4.4. This can be very much useful if you're using the Android 4.4 and can easily sync it with your own device which are running onto the Android 4.4. The battery is of lithium polymer. The water resistance is of IP67. So IP67 means that if you're washing your hands and the water spill over your band, it doesn't spoil it. It has a Bluetooth connectivity of 4.0 and Bluetooth Smart. So let me just quickly unbox it for you. So this is the MI Band and this is the normal MI Band which you are getting it with this device. So this is the normal MI Band which you are getting it inside this box. I'm just keeping it aside for time being, and let's find out what are other components which we are getting it inside the box. So this is the usual which you are getting it, and showing you that how easily you can connect to your smartphone. So for this you need an MI Fit app, and here are the charger which you are getting it inside the box. So again you can normally use it your normal phone charger and connect it with the help of this USB port, or connect it with your laptop or your PC and can put it this black strap over here after removing it and can charge easily. So let me just quickly download MI Fit app over here and show you that what are the things you can do it with this help of this band. So to download your MI Fit app you need to go to Play Store. Once into Play Store you need to search for the MI Fit app. So this is the MI Fit app which you are getting it. I'm going to install it. So the app has been downloaded. I'm going to open it and showing me the sign in and the sign up. I'm going to do the sign in by using my Facebook account. So after getting it to sign into my Facebook account, it's just waiting a second. You haven't created a MI Fit account, create now. Okay. So India recommended, next, and all the information which you have already pre-filled. I'm not going to showing it right now, but it's all been already pre-filled. So all the things have been done. The goal setup have been done. It's been recommended by the WHO that you should go for the 8000 steps. It has been done over here. So the count steps using phone, use phone to know when no band is paired. Okay, got it. So if no device has been paired, it will use your phone to count the steps. So I'm just going for the pairing device. So it's a band. Okay, got it. Allow. So all the location and Bluetooth should be turning on. I'm just going to turn on, allow. So keep the band closer. I'm just turning it on for the first time. So I'm keeping both the device nearby to let this app search this MI band. So as soon as we show that tap band to pair, you need to press this cross button over. So pairing is going on and the device has been paired successfully. So restoring band setting for previous device will be restored after you replace the device. So suppose if I am my band 2 or am my band 4, the same thing will be done over here. So update is going on, updating fonts is been done. So unlock screen, I don't want it. The battery percentage showing off over the app. Incoming notification, yes I want. No, band to tell me that some sort of notification is coming on. So it's showing me allow, incoming allows. Keep MI Bitfit app running, oh, got it. Don't notify about unknown numbers, no, that's okay. Show contact information, that's okay. So DND permission, yes, go to settings and allow MI Bit for the DND permissions. So all the settings for the incoming call have been done over here. So alarm, I don't want it. App alerts, so if you want some sort of app alerts to come, so I'm want for the MI Bit, that's okay. And app alerts again has been turned on, got it. And idle alert, yes I want idle alerts. So it will tell me that I've been sitting for quite a long time, I should go for my walk or something like that. So in more, I have incoming SMS, I don't want it. Vibrate, no. Call notification, yes, on. And do not disturb, no, I don't want it. So I've not been doing the setup for my WhatsApp because I don't want my band to be just vibrate every time I receive an WhatsApp. So time format, I want it like this only, or I can go for date as well, that's okay. So lift wrist to view info, that's I don't want it. And band location left wrist and discovery will be off, running background, okay. So that's all for the first setting of this MI Band HRX into 2019. So if you like this video, give a big thumbs up, don't forget to share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Manish and I see you all in the next video.